Lord Shiva was applying bhasma to his body as a part of his daily ritual. Suddenly, a tiny stone from the ash fell to the ground and an asura rose from it. Shiva named him Bhasmasura. The asura bowed down to Lord Shiva and he asked him to grant him an opportunity to serve him. Shiva affectionately agreed and told him to bring pure bhasma every day from the Bhuloka. The asura worked really hard to serve Lord Shiva. He used to find pure bhasma in the villages, the jungles, mountains, deserts and offer it to Lord Shiva regularly until one day when the asura had to return to Kailasa empty-handed. He told Lord Shiva how hard he has to work to find pure bhasma and it was becoming difficult to find it. So the asura pleased to Lord Shiva to grant him a boon in which whoever's head he places his hand on should get converted to ash instantly. Mata Parvati, who was sitting right next to Lord Shiva, asked him to think wisely before granting any boon to the asura. But Lord Shiva, who is very kind, granted the boon to the asura and said Tathastu. Instantly, the asura began to feel powerful. He began to think that instead of serving Lord Shiva, why not destroy him and become even more powerful? So the asura began running towards Lord Shiva with the intention of touching his head. Lord Shiva got up and he began to run to save himself from the asura. Lord Shiva ran into the dense forest to save himself from the asura and the asura followed him. This continued for over thousands of years until one day when Mata Parvati decided to seek the help of Lord Vishnu. So she went to the Vaikuntha Loka and asked Lord Vishnu to help her. Lord Vishnu instantly converted himself into a divine woman. She was called Mohini. This was the Mohini Avatara of Lord Vishnu. Mohini came to the forest where the asura was chasing Lord Shiva. She purposely came in the way of the asura and began to distract him. She was so beautiful that the asura fell in love the moment he saw her. He asked her to marry him. Mohini agreed, but she asked him to dance with him to fulfill her vrata. The asura immediately agreed. Mohini and the asura both began to dance. Mohini danced and the asura copied her. After a while, Mohini placed her hand on her head. The asura followed and touched his head and was converted to ashes instantly. After the death of the asura, Lord Vishnu came back to his original divine avatara. All the gods were watching this from the skies. They showered flowers over Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. This was the story of Bhasmasura.